I've been in IT for 22 years. I actually started in IT programming my own computer games on the Atari 130 back in 1984. So it's been a little longer than 20 years. But I've been professionally in IT as a project manager for 20 some years. And when AI tools started coming out, artificial intelligence, I had been using AI tools in my SEO work for about 4 or 5 years already. And then so last year, really, this started picking up and getting more traction and being in the media and everywhere. And now it seems like everybody's talking about AI tools. Well, I'm not going to be last to promote. I'm going to be first. So we are the first to have an AI tools for travel agents training course. So I'm the first one out there. If you Google, there are no other travel agent
I think we need a press release,
course.
babe.
I am going to launch a press release on this. I'll have an AI tool write one for me. So in this AI for travel agents, I wanted to go over two big things and approach it in two different ways. So the first thing I did is tackle the tools. So what is ChatGPT? How to use it? What is Bard? How to use it? What is Bing? How to use it? And then I went through and I've got specific tools that will help you as a travel agent. So tourconnect.ai, tour booking automation, journeyplan.co, iPlan, Get Me Flights, Legalese Decoder.
That legalese decoder is really cool, Cam, especially for you because you're like doing group contracts yourself sometimes now. And I know Becky just left, but that like it, you just put the actual verbiage in that legalese decoder, and it explains to you like when those dates are that you owe such and such.
Yeah,
It's
it
much easier to
literally,
understand.
yeah, literally there's a
Nancy
link
too,
and
she's
you
doing
and you go
groups.
to free tool and you copy out of a contract, you copy the paragraph that is written in legalese and you paste it into this tool and it'll tell you in English what's being said.
Yeah.
So it helps you break apart a contract. If there's a part that you're like, oh, therefore they and they hum who the, and it's like I lost track of what they're talking about, paste it in here and it'll decode it for you. So that's there's some great tools. So that's the first part, the first section of learning how to use these tools to save time and leverage. Everybody's talking about ChatGPT. What's it do? What's it for me? What's in it for me? Well, ChatGPT, you can use it to write SEO content. You can write a blog post. You can write a Facebook post. You can write a script for a video that you want to record. I use it for ebooks, for making content on the ebooks. And so there's in the videos, I go into detail on how to use that. The second part of the course is that there's already tons of webinars and interviews and news articles that are out there, but it's very sporadic and it's not really in one place. So I've put it in one place. So I have a lot of different sources, like Traverify's got quite a few videos on AI for travel agents. So there's 2 or 3 in here. There's some other, We Travel is another group that does have 3 or 4 different good webinars about using ChatGPT in the travel industry. CNBC did a good release on all the different companies and how quick they are to integrate AI tools, like on Priceline.com, Kayak, Airbnb, what they're going to be doing next. So this is at a high level to see what's being talked about in the industry. How's artificial intelligence going to affect the travel industry? Are we going to be replaced by AI robots? So no, I don't think so. It's the travel industry is too messy, and people want people. It will suck a certain amount of people out of our funnels, though. Some people will already go just to Expedia on their own, and if Expedia gets better with more AI, sure, they're going to take more people, but that's fine. I think also on the other side, where we fit in is we're human and we're going to be better than bots. And people that run into any issues in travel will not use a tool or AI tool again. They won't go to Expedia once they run into trouble with their flights. They will lean on their friends and look for an agent. And then that's where we come in. So I don't want to have you guys not know what's happening in the industry, because we're going to be on the front and the cutting edge of the industry. So this AI for travel agents is the first course out there as far as I've seen on the internet. So I was pumped and excited to push it out there. So it's $47 one time. That's what I'm selling the course for, and hopefully we'll get more people in our funnel, and more people want to be travel agents, and they'll buy the social media training, upgrade, et cetera, et cetera. So I'm pretty excited about being the first to have an AI training program for travel agents. And I'm excited that what you guys are going to be able to do with it, because it's such a time saver. And for me, on my day to day, it's just saves so much time. So I know you guys are going to love it.